Top of the morning, folks. Today I want to show you guys how to make some easy, quick money with your cell phone, your laptop, your computer, your friend's laptop, your friend's computer. Let's find out. Ready for it? Let's go. Alright guys, I'm here looking at this map inside of this app called Peer2Profit.io. This app essentially lets you earn free money. You're not really doing anything except for letting it be downloaded on your phone, and you're allowing some permissions. Now, it may seem shady. They're not doing anything crazy here. I will show you guys that in a second. First, let me show you guys if it's worth it or not for you guys to even take on this opportunity. Let's look at the map. Where you guys are located, right? Because if you're in Canada, you're going to get about $10 a month per device. If you're in the United States, you're going to get about $11.64 per device, right? So it says per IP. That I could elaborate on that your phone and your computer will have two different IP addresses, and if you know how to use proxy servers, if you know anything like technical like that, or if you know how to use YouTube to look it up, then you could actually separate IPs per device, and you could run a large number of these devices, because I'm sure you've got some old phones laying around. You could even probably slip this onto your friend's phone when they're not looking. I'm not recommending that. All I'm saying is it's quite possible that you could do that. And look, in each device you get connected is $11.64 on average, guys. If it looks worth it to you guys and you guys want to hear more, now I'm going to get into what it's all about. Down here, per device, monthly, you're going to get about $8 a month or $100 yearly. That's your on average per device. So that's when I said if you got like 7 devices, you might be able to make a nice guap out, like a nice $500, $600, $700. You'll do good. You can do good if you take this seriously. So what they're doing is they're using 10% of your available bandwidth, right? And so you're getting 90% of your internet power, and they're gonna borrow 10%. Is how this works. So each device, they want to borrow a little bit of internet power off of each device, and by borrowing your internet power, they're gonna reward you in cash, right? And that's pretty cool, guys. It's worth it. Doesn't really make any bad effect, in my opinion. It didn't slow down my internet connection at all or anything, and I've got it running on multiple devices as well. So it's, in my opinion, is a nice easy opportunity to make a couple extra bucks. And check it out. I mean, like, you could hook up more than 35 different types of devices and have them operating simultaneously at a comfortable, speedy connection. I would definitely come in here and I would check it all out. You could actually make some profits off of your internet power that you're not using anyway, because you never get the whole 100% in. You're never maxing out 100% of your internet power, right? They're only borrowing the 10% that you'd otherwise probably never ever use yourself. And there it is. This is 3 easy ways that you could get paid using their platform. It's really cool. There's a lot of stuff in here. You can install the application on your PC or your phone. I prefer both, really. Put it on as many devices as you can, but what I can recommend is run your proxy server. If you're running multiple computers in the same house, run like a proxy, or maybe even a VPN would work to change the IP address on the other one, so that way you're getting double the rewards instead of only one set of rewards, right? And so what I'd like from you guys is if you guys can sign up using my link in the description. I would love to be a part of your journey. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and use my link to join into this. You guys are going to make some good money, and you guys using my link is going to help me maybe make $2 a month off this gig, you know, for helping you find it, right? And it's not going to come out of the money that you make. That's extra money that they have to pay me as a referral. What I care about is you guys making a quick $100 a month, turning your devices on. You could have your devices making money. To me, this is almost the same thing as mining cryptocurrency, because I got a big old bad computer right here that mines cryptocurrency too. But I think this opportunity is actually making more money, quite honestly, because crypto's not doing so hot right now. But this right here, you get this going on enough devices, and look, $11.64 on average, and it varies per country, but most countries are about $10, you know what I mean? So like about $10 a month per device. You guys basically pay for your internet bill with this. just by sharing a little bit of your internet. It's amazing what you could do when you learn a little bit. So I hope you guys got value out of this. If you did, smash that like button, pretty please, and subscribe to the channel. I'm on a journey to help 1 million people quit their jobs and find financial freedom, and I want you to be one of them. Please let me be a part of your journey. Sign up for this. I mean, like, it's worth a shot, right? What do you have to lose? It's free, it's easy, it takes a couple minutes to set up, and you guys can make some easy bucks out of it. So, and I got many other ways for you guys to make money coming up shortly. So stay tuned, guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Check out more of my videos so you guys can make as much money as humanly possible without having to report to the man every day. But yeah, hope you guys have a great one, and I'll talk to you soon.